Good morning, dear Minister, Excellencies. The Ministry for Foreign and European Affairs and Trade is pleased to have hosted Her Excellency, Dr. El-Mangoush, during her official visit to Malta this morning. Malta and Libya have an exceptionally strong relationship, which has grown from strength to strength since the establishment of diplomatic relations on the 11th of June, 1965. So precisely today, we are celebrating an important anniversary for our establishment of diplomatic relations between the two countries. This visit attests to the extent of this mutual friendship, which has been characterized by innumerable high-level visits. Certainly, our will to consolidate and to further enhance bilateral cooperation on all fields and at all levels also demonstrates the endurance of this relationship. These are the qualities that define Malta: cooperation, friendship, active participation. These have been proved once again also 2 days ago when Malta got elected by an absolute majority in the United Nations Security Council as a non-permanent member, with 185 votes out of 190 that actually voted. Another historical day for Malta that showcases the confidence in our country, in our foreign policy, our principles and our priorities. On today's note, at its heart is also the importance that Malta and Libya attach to the Mediterranean region. Our active participation within regional fora, like the 5+5 Western Mediterranean Dialogue, speaks volumes in terms of the value that we both attach to ensuring a secure and stable neighborhood for the benefit of all. During our meeting, the course of our discussions also turned to focus on the current situation in Libya and how Malta may contribute to Libya's stability process. Emphasis on the need for a de-escalation intention is always a priority. We encourage all actors to refrain from actions that could undermine peace and stability, and hence I underscored the need for political solution which should be devoid of foreign interference. The importance of holding free, fair and inclusive elections based on a sound constitutional framework was also highlighted. Considerable importance was also attached to the need for the consensus to be reached among the parties involved in the UN-facilitated constitutional talks to Libya to enable Libya to move forward with the electoral process. On my part, I underlined that Malta continues to support Libya vigorously. Our vociferous and continuous support of Libya within the European Union and the international level is testimony to our commitment to ensuring security and stability in Libya for the benefit of all. If called upon, we stand ready to assist our partners and friends in Libya in achieving a future based on a Libyan-led and owned solution. Finally, both Dr. El-Mangoush and I elaborated on the bilateral aspects of our relationship and ways to enhance this further, including through collaboration aimed at addressing human trafficking and irregular migration. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. El-Mangoush, for carrying out this visit, which will surely steer our relations further and positively in the months and years to come. May I invite you to take the floor. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you so much, Mr. Ian. I'm very delighted to be here in Malta, our friendly neighbors, and we are historically been connected to each other for many years. Congratulations in your new position. I wish you all the good luck, and I'm very excited for this visit because it means a lot to be together during this difficult time for Libya, because we are relying on Malta as reliable friend and neighbor and supporter to the Libyan case and situation. I'm also very happy that today it's marked the anniversary of our diplomatic relationship between Malta and Libya. And we cherish this moment and this friendship and this relationship because it always has a balance and positivity from both sides. And also, I remember that the Kingdom of Libya, during the early age of the kingdom in the history of Libya, we are one of the first countries that acknowledge the independence of Malta. So this is just show how important our relationship and how historically has been connected to each other. As today, Libya is witnessing a crisis and some difficulties in the political realm, we still have hope and we believe that we are very close to achieve the constitutional base that has been initiated by Stephen E. Williams, the UN, and also we are very close to election, but we need to stick to each other, we need to work together, we need to reach to some sort of political stability and agreement between the parties in order to navigate this challenge, because election is the only solution for all Libyans, for the Libyan region, but also for the hope of all Libyans have been struggled for civil years, for many years. Again, we are also echo the importance of our bilateral relationship, and we also asking from here all the Maltese businessmen to come to Libya for their second country, because we are very keen to have more collaborative economic relationship between the two, and also to work together culturally and economically, because this is the only way to strengthen our partnership and to be stronger within the Mediterranean region. And again, thank you so much for hosting me today, and thank you and very keen also to continue my day as we are working together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.